Let's now begin this bulletin by bringing you the COVID-19 updates from Russia. The country has reported more than 10,000 coronavirus cases for the last 3 days in a row. Russia is now the 7th most affected country from this pandemic. Last week, Russia surpassed China, Iran and Turkey in the total number of COVID-19 cases, and now it sits just behind Germany. The number of confirmed COVID-19 cases went up by 10,102 cases over the last 24 hours. Now that is a rise of cases by over 10,000 by the third consecutive day. The latest spike takes the total number of COVID-19 cases in Russia to more than 155,000. Latest reports from the Russian government has confirmed 95 new deaths, taking the total death toll to 1,451. This is the lowest death toll for a country in the top 10 worst affected countries in the world from this lethal infection. More than half of all deaths and cases in Russia have been in Moscow, where the best medical resources are available. Russia even has around 27 ventilators per 100,000 people. That is better than 18.8 ventilators per 100,000 people in the United States, according to the Johns Hopkins University. But here is the catch. Medical experts say that most of Russia's ventilators are old and sometimes broken. 4 out of the 8 regional governors who spoke with President Vladimir Putin in April complained about not having enough ventilators. And at the beginning of the year, Russia was making less than 100 ventilators per month. But Putin has said that production will be ramped up to make over 100 ventilators in April and 2,500 ventilators in the May period. Russia has now extended the lockdown once so far. On April 28th, President Putin extended the lockdown measures for another 2 weeks, and that means that the lockdown is now scheduled to lift on May 11th. With the daily surge in COVID-19 cases, it is to be seen if the Russian president will choose to extend the lockdown yet again.